And now I will share with you what case these are, everybody who's coming here for corrections. He's a wonderful gentleman, had a actually excellent intra-corneal Anejo intact ring segment in Bogota, right? Colombia. Correct. Actually, the surgery is done well, but he's been left with irregularity and astigmatism and very high errors. So as you saw me, I don't even worry about who did the surgery, which country they're coming from. Of course, I know all that because I've studied their work. To me, it's about potential. I want to not keep wasting energy blaming the surgeon's surgery, how they're doing. I want to see potential and move forward, and also not to destroy their surgeon's surgery. Move forward. I call this taking patients to the end zone, right? You want to say quickly about your history, please?
Yeah, I have intra-corneal rings in Colombia. Still struggling with my vision. I heard about DrGulani, all the job that he has done, all the experience for many years. Really happy people, hundreds of people really happy with his job. So that's why I came here and try to find a solution to improve my vision for future plans in my career. So I hope everything goes well in the future.
And doctor, safety-wise, also we're doing only one eye. Remember, I will not do both eyes, and always I inconvenience all my patients to come back. So this is his case. Again, the surgery. This is called the Anejo intact ring done in Bogota, Colombia. Actually, surgery is done well. You can see the entry point right there. And if you see here, I have seen him, and I'm measuring, remeasuring everything, rechecking everything, making sure there's no change before I go in. And what am I going to do? Without destroying his surgeon's surgery or pulling it out or doing something else, I'm going to do LaZrPlastique on top and try and get him the vision that he deserves. And based on my corneoplastic-based refraction you all just saw, spherical aberration-based. All right? So we've checked, made sure there's no change. This is the notes that have come in from Colombia, and I've studied them all. I know about these because we've fixed a lot of patients who come from South America too, besides throughout the country and world. So that's the concept. Taking these young men, young women, young patients, or patients at any age who've had these surgeries, I call it taking them to the end zone. So doctors, please try to fight for them. They do have potential to see. Just doing something on keratoconus and leaving them blind is not an option. Or anything you want to say?
No, thank you for having me here, for having this opportunity. Thank you for all that you do, and happy to see the results.
Absolutely, my pleasure. So doctors, you can always reach us with any questions you have. It's always my pleasure showing you impromptu patients from all over the planet and letting you see the fact that their reactions are what should really keep you addicted, is the word I use, right? Amar?
Correct.
Look forward to it.
Thank you.
Hi, Doc. How are you? To see you. Wonderful.
Good to see you again. Thank you.
Nice to see you. You are? The doctors who are watching, we are marking the 180 axis of this wonderful gentleman who had surgery in Bogota, Colombia. This ring is an intra-corneal implant he has had. This is called the Anejo, right? Corneal ring. You can see that right there. Right here, you can see that. And without removing the ring, how we are trying to make him see. Open wide, please. Thank you. Perfect. Yes? Did I pronounce that correctly?
Anejo.
Anejo? Yes.
Yeah.
It means Joe, it's not yo. Perfect. So, come on, say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye.
Here he is. You can see in this case, patient has very irregular central reflex scarring. And you can see the ring segment here placed in South America called the Anejo ring segment right there. You can see that ring segment right there. Right there. And we're going to do LaZrPlastique on top without removing the link to add the optics and correct it, right? Thank you. Excellent. Very good. Very good replacement. Just finished doing LaZrPlastique on your keratoconus with the Anejo ring. Just LaZrPlastique on top. Can you tell any difference?
Yeah, it's really clear.
It is?
Yeah.
How do you know?
I can see really detail around me, so.
Fantastic. Any pain at all?
No pain.
For doctors watching, you see a perfect reflex, perfect circle of sight right there. That always translates to vision. You can still see the Anejo ring here in the cornea. You can see it right there. And yet we have done LaZrPlastique without removing the ring and complementing his optics. And that always translates with a perfect circle of sight right there. This is a wonderful patient who had this surgery in Bogota, Colombia, and we have corrected them today with LaZrPlastique. Anything you want to say, Amar, about your experience and how you feel right now, right under the laser?
Yeah, no, I feel okay, no pain at all, and absolutely happy.
Very good. Congratulations. Wonderful. Very proud of you. All right, here's Mr. Bogota.
Thanks.
Can you see already?
Yeah.
Look at her. Yeah.
It's good. I can see for sure. Better at least.
Again, this is not LASIK, remember. These are all very extreme cases. And doctors will are watching patients from all over the world all day. I love to show you even their reactions beside the surgery. You saw right under the laser.
Yep.
How long was the surgery?
Well, like 2-3 minutes only.
How painful?
Zero pain.
Doctor, this is what I keep sharing also with y'all. No need to remove their surgeon's surgery. Take them to the end zone. So you had a very nice surgery done actually, Anejo ring in the cornea, like the INTACS we have in the US or other intra-corneal implants that people use. But again, vision was not there, and that's what we have taken into LaZrPlastique, fixed the cone to match the optics of the rest of the cornea and left the ring in place. So that's the way we correct it, and these patients can be helped. There is no need for transplants or to go remove the things and put back new things in the cornea, right? All of you guys.
Thank you.
This wonderful gentleman actually had surgery in Bogota, right?
That's correct.
Colombia, the birthplace of LASIK, and here we are fixing it.
I have DrGulani vision.
Yes.
I have my eyes back.
Thank you, Carlos, and be amazing.
Thank you.
Yes, you can take a picture, absolutely. Come. Pleasure again. Get back to the hotel, get some rest, both of you. All right, and there's a bell inside this, okay? He rings the bell, you show up. I'll see you. Pain at all?
No pain.
Lovely.
Looking good.
Perfect. Let's take a look. And you can see here, doctors, we've done LaZrPlastique on his Anejo ring. And you can see right there, no evidence of surgery. And he had surgery in Bogota, Colombia, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you can see, doctors, without disturbing that ring segment that they had put in, we have worked on his keratoconus with LaZrPlastique. No inflammation, nothing. Completely white eyes. And even on asking these patients, don't complain about pain. Sit back, please. He's doing great. He's doing great. But a pleasure, Alar.
Thank you, Doc. Appreciate that.
It's an
All
honor.
the effort and
Absolute
everything that you
pleasure.
did for us.
Thank you so
My
much.
pleasure. Come on this way, please. Rasha, both the Germany patients will come back.
Hello, my name is Álvaro Cabrera. I'm here visiting Dr. Gulani because initially I had an intra-corneal ring surgery 20 years ago back in Colombia to improve my vision for the keratoconus. I wanted to pursue my dream as a pilot. Unfortunately, because of my vision, I was not qualified. I was not within the range for my vision exam. So I decided to see what other options, because most of the doctors said that there was nothing to do at that point. So I decided to research and see what were the other options that the world was offering for me, just to keep pursuing my dream. And I came up with Dr. Gulani, a really prestigious doctor with a lot of experience on this issue with the keratoconus. So I came here and it was amazing. He saw the other half of my process, right? There was one half missing, and he saw the opportunity, he saw the hope that I was looking for. He saw that there was something else that needed to be done, and so I was able to keep moving forward with my career as a pilot. So I came here, we did the procedure, and no pain at all. Everything was really, really quick. All the team, all the clinic, every single person was amazing. Doctor is amazing. I can keep working on my commercial pilot license and keep moving with my career.